Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Again, this is Sunday, February 9, 2025. Wow! Imagine, no? February 9, 2025. So what can really be a good vlog natin than having good vibes? Okay? Alam mo sa atin, mga buhay natin is always having good vibes. And to bring that, we have a two sisters actually who really started the name Good Vibes, no? And I met them in Nawag, and really I could not forget the place because it's such a place where you can think, where you have good food and really good vibes nga. So again, to bring up to speed, let us now meet Miss Maricor Rosella and si Joy Salvador. Good morning, good afternoon to you. Sunday.
Hello, Sir Boots.
Good
Yes.
day and good vibes
Good
day.
Ay,
Good day and
tignan mo
good
naman
vibes.
kayong
Happy
dalawa, no?
Sunday. Opo.
Yeah, you're such
Yeah,
a
and
good...
Happy New Year. Happy New Year pa rin
New
po.
Year.
Correct, correct. And again, advance happy Valentine.
Ay,
I'm
opo. Nako, Day of Hearts.
Oo nga, I'm
Let's keep our
sure
hearts in good vibes.
maraming mga nakabook na ngayon diyan, no? Sa lang ngayon, di
Mga
ba?
mag-date.
Yes,
Correct.
sir. Of
So,
course,
tell
let's
me, how does it feel to be working together as siblings? Yan. Tignan natin muna si Maricor and si Joy. Paano ba kayo nagsasama? Ano ba yung synergy ninyo at parati kayo nakangiti at parati may good vibes yung samahan ninyo? Yeah.
Okay, so Sir Butch, una, good vibes nga po tayo. So, bawal ang mega. And we're sisters. Walo kami. We're 8 siblings po. Ako yung panganay. Si Joy ang bunso. And it just so happened, only us are here staying na po with our mothers sa aming family house. So,
Mhm.
we have no choice but to be clingy to each other, support each other. So,
Oh,
and
pero
that's
ang
one
ganda naman
blessing
yan, ha?
din po.
Ang ganda, eldest and youngest, ha?
Apo.
Yes.
So,
Of the
si nanay po, pag nakikita kami, nakikita na niya yung una at huli niyang
Oo.
pinanganak. So,
Parang
it's like
kumpleto na.
embracing everyone. So,
Oo nga, kompleto
wala
na eh,
kaming
no?
choice. Kundi
And
maging good. Oo.
besides, you're in Lawag, right now?
Yes po.
Or exactly for our viewers, baka naman may mga madadayo diyan, alam mo, to have a good vibes in celebrating their Valentine. Saan ba talagang address ng good vibes?
Sasagutin po ni Bunso yan na una
Ayan,
ng
so,
ating good vibe.
We're located po sa Barangay 23. So just beside Ilocos Times Printing Press. So ano po, within the city siya, pero nakatago po siya sa loob ng eskinita. Kaya when you are here, you'll experience po yung parang nasa city, within the city na parang nasa mini jungle. Kaya yun
Oo
po yung
nga.
ino-offer ng good vibes.
Yung
Yeah,
serenity po ng place.
I had that feeling eh. Kasi sabi ko, pasikot-sikot kami noon, no? Pasikot-sikot. Sabi ko, saan ba talaga tayo pupunta? Alam mo naman, dyan sa
Yung
Lawag eh.
maligaw-ligaw po na vibes.
Di ba? Sa Liwag, maliliit ang mga roads, di ba? Talagang biglang all of a sudden, nag-pop out agad yung, uy, anong lugar ito? Para bang isang langit. Okay?
Wow,
Parang-
thank you, Sir Butch.
Ah,
We're not
oo.
in the main street po kasi interior street kami. So, it's also a blessing na hindi siya nadadaanan frequently ng mga public transport vehicles. So,
Aha.
ramdam mo yung serenity of the place. Especially, sabi nga natin dito, walk barefoot, breathe more oxygen. So, we have plants
Correct.
covering the place. Hindi siya masyadong easily na nakikita kung ano yung nasa loob. So, yun. Sabi ko nga, we are inviting everyone to come see
Yeah.
what's inside po ng Arubayan.
Oo nga, papakita natin yung mga pictures dyan, yung mga events. I'm sure ang dami niyang mga bookings dyan, like the kind of clientele you have, mga birthdays, and then,
Bridal showers po,
Di ba?
kadalasan.
anong kadalasan, Joy?
Bridal shower, mga proposal, yung mga intimate
Wedding
po na gatherings.
Oo nga, no? Palagay ko, para bang, eto ba, isa lang ito or meron pa kay ibang branch, Joy?
Last year po, nagkaroon kami ng isang branch in Batak City. But then, we closed din po actually kasi yung nag-close na yung school year. But then after that po, it's a blessing in disguise. Nag-open po ng opportunity That's why we built po yung The Green Box Vegetarian Cafe. So, we have here
Ah,
po sa Arubayan, and parang little sister na po ng Good Vibes Cafe yung si The Green Box, na offering naman po yung plant-based.
okay. So you're really yung menu nyo is actually vegetarian.
Sa The
Yes
Green
po,
Box.
sa The Green Box.
Sa The Green Box.
Opo.
What about the Good Vibes?
Sa Good Vibes naman po, more on flexitarian. So, meron pa rin po siyang meat, since yung isang advocacy po ng Good Vibes Cafe is to promote yung mga local delicacies natin. Siyempre, hindi mo matatanggal yung love natin for longganisa, yung mga ano po
Yeah.
natin. So, meron pa rin pa konti-konti po, pero predominantly po, like mga 80%, plants pa rin po siya na may infused na konting meat.
At
Opo.
meron kayong rare harvest ng rice. Maricor, hindi ba? Meron kayong rare harvest ng rice, correct?
Ay, Balatinao.
Ano ba yun? Ano ba yung
We have
black
this
rice na yun?
We call it Balatinao, yung hina-harvest ko sa slope ng mountain. Hindi siya tinatanim dun sa regular na rice field. Andun po siya sa
Oo.
slope sa mountain. So we call it Malwit. Malwit rice. Ito yung mabango. Tapos meron din kaming Balatinao. We call it locally Balatinao rice. Ito naman yung black rice na parang
Yes.
ano siya eh, parang malagkit na black. Pero ang sarap po niya.
Oo.
We call it
So
Balatinao.
this is actually your place is actually very strategically located kasi nga plus the fact na may mga heirloom pa rin kayo mga recipes, meron kayong mga heirloom na mga harvest, no? Para bang untouched by nature, untouched by all the environment. So tell me, anong nag-udyok sa inyo, bakit kayo naglagay ng restaurant? I mean, you're both working, Maricor, you're working with the Department of Trade, Ilocos Norte Provincial, and si Joy. Ano talaga, kasi maraming mga nanonood sa atin na nagtatanong, ano ba gagawin namin magkapatid? Nakanganga or mag-kill time? Pero kayo ay para bang after work, you still have life after work. Di ba? What really urged you for this kind of business?
But before Sijo answers your question,
Oo.
Sir Butch, eto, si Sijo owns po yung Good Vibes Cafe. Ako, supportive sister lang po sa
Yes.
kanya, and as a DTI,
May in-house po ako na
as a government employee na nasa
Yeah.
DTI,
May
give
in-house
her-
advisor
I give her
ka.
the
True,
mentoring,
Sir
the
Boots.
coaching,
Kaya blessing.
o kung ano man po yung interventions na kailangan niya to grow as an entrepreneur. Andito lang po ako nakasuporta sa kanya. So, I'm
Oo nga,
happy.
no?
I'm happy din po na pinapa-duty minsan.
may consultant.
Oo nga.
Aside from consultant for duty para may free ako na niya. May free
Exactly.
service.
Yeah, but
So,
again, maganda yung tandem nyo because you're connected with the government and you're
Yes.
helping your youngest sister do the right thing, kasi nga alam mo naman natin Department of Trade is may mga compliance yan, may mga regulations, and ang maganda yung synergism ninyo, the relationship, no? So anong process ninyo, how you arrive at this kind of project?
Okay, it was a smooth journey, Sir Boots, no? Kasi high school pa lang po ako, I dreamt ko talaga to have a restaurant, a cafe. So yung dream ko na po talaga na course is a culinary. But then, nung nakita ko yung tuition, talagang nako. Isang tabi muna, ganon. But then, so pumasok ko sa corporate for almost 8 years, sir. Tapos sa Manila, yun pa rin, andun pa rin yung dream ko talaga na paano ko magkakaroon ng restaurant din, non-culinary graduate, tapos non-business course po. So sabi ko, naku, magiging step by step to. Before achieving that dream, kailangan ko munang umuwi.
Mhm.
So I took that leap po, no, yung talagang pag sa entrepreneur, kailangang sumugal
Yeah,
for
totoo yun.
that dream. No po, kasi
Yeah.
parang andun po yung parang hinahatak po ako, yung heart ko, yung desire na parang kung gusto ko talaga yung dream ko, kailangan kong umuwi, mag-practice, and of course, I have to do that baby steps.
Yeah,
So yun,
step
Right.
1.
opo,
Yeah.
yun po yung actually pinakamahirap sa entrepreneurial journey ko noon. Doing the first step while having yung idea, ay yung ano ko po is wala naman akong background. Sabi ko, sige, isusugal na natin to para sa dream na to. So nag-quit po sa corporate, and then after that po, sabi ko, saan ako magpa-practice ng culinary? Saan ko ipapakita na I have that passion po towards yung mga herbs, yung mga healthy po na ingredients, ganyan. So I set up po yung sa Arubayan. It was a garden po, family garden actually.
Aha.
Then, sabi ko, sige, maglalagay tayo ng table. So, nag-accept po ako noon na parang monthly po by reservation. So, before po, it was called dulang. So, in Ilocano po kasi yung dulang is yung low table
Low-legged
po.
table.
Low-legged
Oh,
table.
oh, yeah, yeah. Yung mababa, ano?
Oo,
Oo.
yung
Parang Japanese
mag-squat ka
style.
lang.
Oo.
Opo, since
Oo.
yung mga panahon po na yon, wala tayong pera, ganyan. So, sabi ko, sige, kung ano mo kuha sa bahay.
So you literally empty the house of your furniture,
Ganun na
correct?
nga po.
Ganun na nga nangyari dyan.
Kung
Oo.
anong gamit po meron sa bahay.
Opo.
Tapos the garden naman po is andyan na, may mga tanim na. So, kinonvert niya na parang garden cafe.
Opo, garden cafe.
Yung mga in-experiment niya na food creations niya, may
Opo.
following naman po.
1 year
Sumakto
na
siya
ako
na
nun.
1 year old nung malaunch ang KMME in Ilocos Norte. So, she qualified to be one of the pioneer po na enrollees natin sa Kapatid Mentor Me program. And sabi nga niya sa akin, actually, ito yung kwento namin na magkapatid. Sabi ko, ang lakas-lakas ng loob mo, yung determination mo, yung passion mo, yan talaga nagtutulak sa'yo. Pero teka, ang business, ang daming intricacies niya na kailan mo aralin at kailangan
Correct.
pagdaanan. Sabi ko, ganun.
Oo.
Kasi
Oo.
hindi ka nadadala sa emosyon lang.
Correct.
And salamat naman po, nakinig, nag-enroll, pero pagdating ng VIP time, hala, tomorrow na po ang graduation, di pa niya tapos yung kanyang VIP, Business Improvement Plan. So sabi, ano bang gusto mong gawin sa business in 5 years? Maski andito ako, we are living in the same house, hindi ko madikta yung gusto mo in the next 5 years. You have to listen to yourself. Tignan mo kung ano nasa puso mo. Imagine mo, visualize mo what you want to be, where you
Yeah.
wanna be in the next 5 years.
Opo.
Overnight po ginawa niya yung kanyang VIP.
So, walang tulugan nito, di ba?
Opo.
Talaga, Sir
Yari.
Boots.
But you know, totoo yan, yung it is not really a matter of, you have that passion inside you, nasa puso mo yan.
Mhm.
The education is actually forming you, putting you the necessary guidelines. And marami naman tayong mga natulungan ganyan, no? Talagang from a dream na kumbaga non-stop, no? Yung dream na hindi sila pinapatulog ng yung panaginip. Alam mo ba yon, yung panaginip? Ewan ko, Joy, na-feel mo
Opo,
ba yan?
hindi ka talaga patulogin.
Yung
Sir
bang
Boots, tama yan.
gising ka pero dilat ka. Tulog ka pero and
Yung parang kakausapin mo pa yung ano po, tama na, itigil mo na, kailangan mo na magpahinga.
pero para bang kasalanan mo na yan pag kinalimutan mo siya. Parang
Opo.
The guilt
Kumbaga-
within. Oo.
well, alam mo naman, month tayo ng February, no? Baka naman
Opo,
nakalimutan mo na
talaga.
si panaginip, hindi ba? No, yan ang ating advisor na hindi
Opo.
nakikita ng iba. Hindi ba? Yung sabi nga ng iba, there is one phrase that I often hear, and this is shared by Professor J. Bernardo, si Mr. Carlo Calimo, no, both bayan, no? And they always say that sinasabi nga nila yung nakikita na hindi nakikita ng iba ay siyang kikita. Yung exactly,
Yes.
di ba?
Opo.
Pero ang problema mo ng Joy is how to translate that to Maricor. I mean, in other words, paano mo i-download at the same time to convince your family and your mother of what you're doing? I'm sure people were thinking, I'm sure si Maricor would silently think, naluloko na ata itong kapatid ko.
Sir, sa totoo lang, for 1
Naku,
year,
ayan na.
she kept experimenting her food creation. Sabi namin, di ba, umuwi na siya from the corporate life, andito na siya sa province. Nag-work naman siya as a teacher
Yung
po sa
mga
isang
part-time.
college dito. College dito. So, yung sweldo niya, parang kulang pa. Pinambibili niya ng mga ingredients kasi nag-experiment na po siya ng food. Ang consolation lang po namin, we have free food na masarap. Kasi kami yung naging
Aha.
niya, pinapa-taste test niya sa amin. So
Pero
yung
si Joy, that's a big jump. You're working in a
grabe
corporate.
ang courage.
Nako.
Gra-
Opo.
What were
Goodbye
you
bonuses, goodbye
what were
money.
you doing in the corporate world, si Joy?
I was with Canon po. Canon Marketing Philippines. HR po
Aha.
sa Taguig. Opo. So
Oh, wow.
it was a dream job din po actually. So
Correct,
HR
correct.
sa organizational development. But then
Mm-mm.
pag ano po kasi andun yung dream, yung passion, talagang sige, you're doing your best. Pero sabi ko, hindi, may naisang tabi na dream eh. Kaya
hinahabol
I
pa.
was happy po actually with Canon, and yung mga learnings ko po from corporate,
Oh,
dun
yeah.
ko na rin po talaga, yung mga hindi ko matatawaran na learnings from office, kaya na-apply ko naman po sa sa
Mhm.
business hanggang
Well, actually, maganda yan, no? Kasi meron kang experience sa corporate life. You
Yes.
had a lot of experiences,
Super
training,
po.
Yes, for sure.
how the process of working,
Opo.
the formality in the office. Plus, it's a good brand, no? And then here you are becoming an entrepreneur, di ba? Para
Yun
bang,
yung isang,
oo, para bang nagkaroon ka ng tuition fee
opo.
for
Yes.
certain years as corporate, di ba? Para bang, kasi marami naman, may mga hindi dumaan sa corporate, maraming trial and error. And I think the beauty that you had experience in Kapatid Mentor Me is because the guidelines, no? More formality,
Opo.
more practicality. And ang ganda yung ginawa mo, ang ganda. It's nothing, but you don't regret living the corporate life,
Ay,
Joy.
di po.
Hindi po.
Hindi?
Actually, Sir Butch, ako na yung naiingit sa kanya for taking the brave step to get out
Exactly.
from being an employee to being an entrepreneur employee.
Oo, oo.
Sabi ko,
Pero maganda yung ginawa ninyo. Alam mo, lakas ng loob talaga yung ginawa ninyong dalawa. At the same time, supporting kasi imagine if you're the only one, si Joy, and then
Talaga.
Sister Maricor is not around. I mean, di ba, medyo nakakalungkot na paano ito, yung panaginip ko, wala akong kausap. Alam mo, kausap
Opo.
yung mga puno, yung mga
Opo.
halaman, di ba?
I
Yung mga
remember po
ganon.
nun, Sir Boots, nung mga first year ko, like sinabi nga ni Mang Maricor, yung napapagalitan na rin ako kasi may kinikita ka pa ba dyan? And, ako po kasi that time, parang nakaka-happy na po pag may customers ako. Pero tignan natin yung numbers, ay wala
Yeah.
pala, ganun. So very timely po ba talaga yung KMME kasi that's the time na parang ay kailangan talagang tutukan din yung
Yes.
numbers para maging sustainable. And that's one of the reasons po siguro kaya tumagal si Good Vibes kasi hindi na lang po sa passion hindi na lang sa desire. Parang dapat bigyan ng time din yung sa technical na part. Very timely po yung KMME, no, yung 2017. Kasi that time, yung first year ko po noon, parang ang saya-saya ako na kapag may few customers ako, parang ibig sabihin, ay gusto nila, ganon. Kasi nga, parang nafe-feed po yung ano ko nun, yung passion ko, yung dreams ko. But then after that po nga nun, kasi sabi advantage ko na po talaga na meron akong manang from DTI. Tapos, yan nga po yung KMME. Yun pala, dun ko na-realize na it's really not enough na hindi lang yung passion. Hindi lang yung desire mo, yung drive mo, but then you have to look at the technical side of the business. And siguro nga po, kinareer ko kasing accounting side ng ano po, KMME kasi nga, as non-business graduate po, yun talaga yung nag-ano sa akin na parang ay sa balance sheet po, parang amazed ako. Ay, may mga ganito pala.
Tsaka eto Sir Butch, nung kino-convert na niya yung passion to making it a business na, medyo nag-uumpisa lang i-business yung mga niluluto niya, hindi siya marunong mag-costing and pricing. Tapos
Ayun.
sabi ko sa kanya, i-review natin anong ingredients mo na ginamit mo, ilang oras mo, yung mga technicalities konti ng business para makita, masabi mo na kumikita ka. Then sabi niya, parang it would be too much. It would be too much. Gumaganon siya. Then sabi ko, always remember, nasa business ka, hindi ka nasa charitable institution.
Exactly. Oo.
Kasi sir, di
Hindi,
ba?
plus maraming mga entrepreneurs, no? For example, into food, what you like is what you like. But don't talk about costings. Di ba?
True.
Minsan mayroong mga ganyan eh. May mga, yan ang minsan nakikita ko sa mga chef, no? They use the best, the most expensive. Pagdating sa cost, oops, medyo nagka-crunch, no? Kasi nga, how can you sell kung ang food, ang profit mo ay 15% na lang, di ba? So, it's actually putting good food, quality food, but yet
True.
profitable, di ba?
Opo.
Yes,
Yun ang
yes.
challenge sa iyo. I'm sure, Joy,
Opo.
you were having that crossroad before, di ba?
Opo. Opo.
Parang,
Actually, Sir
oo,
Boots, until now po, yung costing talaga yung pinaka-challenging na part
exactly.
pagdating
Oo.
sa food business. Primarily because of the inflation. Kaya ramdam na ramdam po talaga. And kaya thankful po ako dun sa KMME kasi nga, dun ko po na nai-apply na parang, oops, okay, ilang percent yung kaya nating ibigay, ilang percent yung
Yeah.
ceiling, ano po natin yung mga margins. Kaya dun po talaga yung natutunan ko sa KMME pagdating sa accounting, and it's really not yung basta mura ganun yung food. Kaya
You
ikaw
cannot
ba naman?
sacrifice. You cannot sacrifice quality.
Oh,
Di
you
ba? You
cannot.
cannot
Oo.
sacrifice quality, but
Exactly,
Correct.
Sir Butch.
you have to strike a
Oo.
balance, no?
Yes.
Kasi
That's what I'm about to say din po.
oo,
Do not
Yung
sacrifice
balance.
to the quality.
may
Opo.
balance yan eh, di ba? Yun ang
Talaga, sir.
So, paano ngayon? Paano how did you design that place now? I mean, that place was designed by who? At anong naging inspiration sa inyo?
Okay. So, itong place na to na Arubayan, where the Good Vibes Cafe is located. Alfresco po siya, di ba, Sir Butch?
Oo.
Na. Tabi lang po niya bahay namin, family house. So, literally, we grew up na along with this garden sa tabi ng bahay. Pero while growing up po, eto ay vegetable garden. Yung tatay po namin kasi, mahilig magtatanim. And then sabi ko, we're 8 in the family na magkakapatid. Binibigyan niya kami ng plot per child na eto, i-tend mo, i-nurture mo yung plants andyan. So, pipili kami ng seedlings sa gusto namin itanim sa plot namin. So, may sili dyan, tomatoes, and we don't usually buy vegetables po from the market when growing
How
up.
big is the
Kinukuha
property, by the way? How big is the garden?
Sa etong garden, it's about
350
square meters lang po. Yung bahay is 750, about 350 lang po ito. And then
So,
yung mother
yung
naman na
350 square meters, bakit nagkaroon ng initiative yung daddy nyo magkaroon magtanim? Why? Did
first,
he come from the family of farmers?
sa roots po niya, farmers, although siya hindi po farmer by profession, pero siguro marami kami, and para
Oo nga.
makatipid ng marketing, and to teach us yung value siguro din ng farming po. Kasi siya, farming ang roots niya, pero hindi siya naging farmer. Siguro gusto din niyang hindi man i-pass on, pa-experience sa amin what is tending the soil.
In a small
in his, small ways. So, yun, in-expose niya kami sa pagtatanim ng gulay-gulay. And then yung mother po namin, plantita din po eh. Pero hindi siya vegetables. Ornaments naman po, tsaka herbs. So, ang ganda po ng tandem nila. So, may nagtatanim ng ornamental plants and herbs. Kaya kami din hindi sanay. Medicinal plants. Hindi po kami sanay din uminom ng medicine from pharmacist po. Kasi pag may ubo, may sipon, kaya nilalagnat. We have herbal plants. Accessible po sa amin. So, ganun po yung kinalakihan namin.
So, yung design ng place niyan, how did you arrive at that? Because that's something that I've never seen, yung ambiance na ginawa ninyo.
Opo. Since I started po na garden cafe lang siya, na naglalatag lang ng mats, ganyan po. So, since growing na po kasi yung customers, and parang napansin ko po na medyo yung mga nagiging target market na niya is conscious po sa sa place, ganyan. So sabi ko na kailangan na ng kubo, kailangan na ng yung makapag-sit down po sila talaga. Kasi before talagang uupo na lang sila, may mat lang, ganun po. So that's the inspiration po na kailangang palakihin na mas maayos po.
Yung kubo.
Yes, sir.
Pero the plants itself po, andyan na. Yung iba dyan talagang, di ba dati, tinataniman na namin dito. So, parang andyan na yung iba yung mga. Basta yung mga nasa gilid-gilid, parang na lang, ginagdagan na lang yung mga kulang na spaces. But yung basic po niya na yung foundation po niya na as a garden, andyan na po siya noon.
Opo. And at the same
Na-enhance na lang po.
Opo. At the same time din, Sir Boots, parang yung pinaka-inspiration ng concept is as someone po na galing sa corporate na parang medyo na-burn out po kasi. Kaya parang sabi ko, when I'll have a business, I'll build a place na makakapag-relax. Parang yung makaka-relate po na
Breathe
parang,
more oxygen.
opo, kaya yung
It's like you're establishing a haven after work.
opo.
Diba?
True, sir.
Para
Kasi
bang
parang-
Nakaka-relax.
with a lot of stress that going around, no? Parang
Opo.
you're now providing a haven for all people. But tell me, saan nanggagaling ang mga customers ninyo? Where are they all coming from now?
Profile ng market.
Profile ng
Oo.
market po. So, karamihan po mga businessman din po, doctors.
Yeah,
Ayan,
nasa
dumadami
medical
na po
field.
ng mga doctors.
Foreigners, meron din po following sa mga foreigners na yung mga nakapakasawa ng Pilipina o kaya
Opo.
mga nagbabakasyon po dito o kaya yung may work na dito.
Yung mga ages po, mga 30, late 30s po.
Aha.
Late 30s and
Opo.
above.
So but ang question lang dyan, Marisela and C-Joy, are you able, do you see yourself duplicating this, ano ang pangalan ng Good Vibes?
Good Vibes Cafe.
Good Vibes
Good
Cafe
Vibes
at
Cafe.
Arubayan.
Are you, how do you spell that? Arubaya?
Arubayan po kasi is an Ilocano term meaning
Backyard garden.
Backyard,
garden.
Arubayan.
So, the
Okay.
name of the business is Good Vibes Cafe. And since
Correct.
it's located po sa garden lang, backyard garden, so Good Vibes Cafe at the Arubayan.
At the Arubaya. Okay.
Yes.
But do you think you can duplicate this? Or do you
There-
do you have any in your pipeline in the near future?
Sir, that's what we are working on po, na bigger space, may farm. Kasi yung mga pumupunta po dito, yung akala sa likod namin, farm siya or meron bang bundok dyan?
O
Or
kaya
ano,
may batis sa likod.
may batis,
gumaganon po
ganyan.
sila.
So,
May parang fishing,
Opo.
di ba? Oo.
So, yun po yung na-imagine nila pag andito sila. So, sabi ko, oo nga, no, ang ganda ng ganon na, na place talaga. So, yun po, we're trying our best na sana magkaroon po ng bigger lot talaga para at least to accommodate more customers. And yun po, yung naibigay yung full experience ng nasa farm, ganyan po. So,
So,
sana,
para
sir,
bang nananaginip na naman si Joy
hindi naman nakakatulong, sir.
magkakaroon ng another branch of a
Opo.
better version, parang ganon.
And sir, syempre pag may manang ka rin po kasi, this time po may kasama na akong nanaginip.
Exactly.
Unlike po before, nasa Manila ako, parang mag-isa lang akong nanaginip, ganyan po. Pero parang mas masarap pong managinip din na may kasama ka na parang, uy, magkaparehas na kami ngayon ng lengguwahe po. So, yun din advantage po.
So pareho na kayo ng insomnia ngayon sa panaginip
Yes.
ninyo, no?
Actually, it's not already just a branch na coming up. Sana po talagang makapag-put up as sisters, as sisters na magko-collab kasi business po tayo.
Yeah,
We will
yeah.
collaborate.
At saka the advantage that you are there in the north is
Yes.
that
Yes,
you have properties, no, na available pa rin.
May konti naman po.
Meron?
Salamat po sa mga ninuno.
Hindi, plus the fact na hindi magkakaroon pa rin kasi a lot of people there's local tourism right now, right? I mean,
Yes, yes.
malakas ang local tourism
Yes, sir.
and entrepreneurship, especially which is now being fostered by our present secretary, Department of State Secretary Roque, na tourism and entrepreneurship, which is actually swak na swak sa inyo eh. Because you're providing customer experience,
Yes, sir.
healthy meals, di ba?
Opo.
Tsaka hindi mo mabibili yan sa Metro Manila. Correct?
Yes.
Di ba? So, yan ang maganda sa inyo na you try to expand from there where you are right now, but again, you transfer to another place, but again, giving the total experience and probably down going south, from the north, going down to Tarlac, going down to Bulacan, hindi naman sa mga managinip, di ba? Yung may Arubayan
Sarap managinip.
Arubayan sa Malolos o Good Vibes sa Malolos. Good Vibes sa I mean kasi nga I think this is a concept that you have really stumbled na dapat nyong alagaan, no? The way I see it, ha? Kasi wala ka na makikitang ganito And the
Wow.
generation now needs this, di ba?
Yes,
Opo,
yes.
talaga,
Opo.
sir.
It's
Oo,
one
tsaka healthy living.
realization. Yeah, it's
Ah.
one realization din sa atin na nagkaka-age na po, Sir Boots. We need to be more mindful. Kaya sabi namin, hindi na lang naman fad o fashion yung healthy living o kaya yung mga gustong magpa-sexy. But it is becoming a lifestyle now. Ina-embrace na ang mindful na living. So this is this growing market for this. So sabi namin,
Correct.
why not, di ba?
Why not
Take
grow?
advantage, take the opportunity of this growing market since naumpisahan na nga po. So,
Pero I think the challenge there for you is start to document
yeah.
what is your business goal? What is your why,
Yes,
Hindi lang yung nananaginip na ngayon kasi importante yung
Yes, sir. Oo. What's
because
your why?
what you will transfer is actually a system regardless of
Yes.
location, di ba?
Yes po. Oo.
Yung bang ano ba yung mga parameters ng Arubayan original?
Mm.
Ano ba yung brand
Yes.
essentials, no? Na dapat
At
makita.
consistent ka throughout. Saan ka man makarating.
Exactly. Kasi may mga nakakausap ako na they have properties, they have a 500 square meter, they have 1,000 square meter, but except that they really don't know. And I guess when people view this, I'm sure they'll be inspired and they'll get in touch with you. You're the master planner for the good vibes. Di ba?
Naku, parang, sir, yung panaginip ko na parang medyo ano din sa franchise na.
Parang gano'n na nga.
Franchise.
Lumalabas doon. No? Para bang, because look, it's,
Duplicating the concept.
you have the concept. People they have the property. Ano ilalagay sa property?
Anong gagawin? No?
Will it be stagnant?
Idle, stagnant.
Idle land? Sayang naman, di ba? So maganda yun. Kasi like for example, overseas in the US, a lot of people are asking, where can we stay in a farm? Okay? They don't want to stay in a hotel. They don't want to stay in a commercial place. May nakausap po diyan no? Foreigners, no? College students who went backpack, they traveled, they stayed in a kubo, they farm, they lived, mga iba na ang mundo no na ayaw na nila ng mga commercial. So you're like the Airbnb.
Yes. Allah, sir, nababasa mo ba kami?
Ha? Para bang
Sir,
you're
kailangan di matulog para ma-fulfill ang dream namin for Airbnb talaga, sir.
Actually,
Tapos, farm.
It's
Farm
in the
Airbnb.
pipeline. It's in the pipeline to put up an Airbnb in a farm where one would experience yung real, hindi naman yung full context ng farming, pero andun ka sa farm, actually, physically andun ka, but still has this some comfort pa rin ng modern living kasi yung safety,
correct.
security, tinitignan natin. Yung sanitation, tinitignan din po natin.
The basics
Yung the
basics of living, no? For example,
living, yes.
in Leyte, I found a place. It's a restaurant right in the middle of a rice field, no?
Ay, wow.
But it natatanaw from the main road, and when I was brought there, I said, "Wow, it's such a nice place." Kumbaga, it's a poster. It's a poster.
Wow.
Postcard. Yun lang. Kulang siya kasi gusto niya sana yung magtatanim yung mga mag-stay, and then they can call it probably para bang meron silang signature nila na tinanim ni Maricela, tinanim ni si Joy. Okay, the fruits probably, may okra, may patola, di ba? Para bang it gives a feeling of belongingness, right?
Ay, nice idea.
Na-part ka doon. Yeah.
Di ba? Like for example, maraming mga plantita ngayon sa Metro Manila. Again, why? Because of the pandemic, right? Because imbis na mag-alaga sila ng fur, they have a choice to become a fur parents or to become a plantita. Dalawa lang ng choice mo during pandemic, di ba?
True.
Pero yung iba, because since they live in a vertical, they live in a condo, they do vertical gardening. Like I'm sure you have seen BGC that
Yes.
they are now planting in vacant lots.
Yes,
Uh,
yes. Yung sa
vegetables.
Urban Farmers PH.
Opo.
And there are farmers. There are really farmers living
Yes,
there.
sir. Yeah.
Opo.
We
So-
visited that. If you're referring to the same place, sir, we visited that and took some info. And,
Oo. So
Nakaka-inspire.
Nakaka-inspire.
maganda 'yon. So siguro Joy Morizela is your task is now na with this blog that we are now featuring you on February 9. I'm sure you will be, a lot of people will be asking you, where do you start? When can you start? The question of kailan ba kayo ready? Para bang
Yeah.
mamaya
The big
may
question
property.
talaga yan, sir.
Oo, may nanonood sa atin na may property siya na hindi niya alam kung anong gawin. So yun ang
Gawin po
important.
nating Arubayan Farm. Gawin natin with a
Correct,
purpose.
correct.
Yeah.
Pero I'm sure
Oo.
I'm sure Maricela, your the name Good Vibes is a trademark already.
Yes, of course. We
Of
made
course,
it sure, sir.
Parang
Kung hindi-
Nahihiya ako na,
kung-
nahihiya ako na lagi kong kasama na hindi ko di ba,
Opo.
we're doing all these interventions, all these assistance.
Mm-mm.
Dapat,
direct po tayo, sir.
compliant ka din. Kaya ganun ako sa kapatid ko.
Direct yung access natin.
Exactly.
Opo,
So,
sir.
yeah. Pero siguro, are you open to people who are going to probably get in touch with you and do some possible, collaboration?
Of course, sir.
Of course,
Opo.
of course.
Actually, in
Opo.
collaboration, sir, yun po yung mag-open kasi ng
Yeah.
different views. Kaya we're very open po.
Even me.
Yeah.
Hindi mo naman
So,
alam lahat, sir, eh. So, you're learning as you go along with other people.
Exactly.
There's so
Kailangan
much
yun
to learn
kasi
in this world.
alam mo, ang entrepreneur cannot be like, for example, it's 2025 na. You have to be open-minded eh.
Yes.
To be
And
innovative,
napansin
di ba?
ko yun, Sir Boots, yung generation na ng entrepreneurs ngayon, parang more on collaborations na po.
Nag-network na po.
Yeah.
Na po tayo.
So it's a
Kaya ang
collab, no?
ganda po
Collab
ng-
na yun.
Collaboration po talaga.
You cannot be an island by yourself, no? Para
True. We can
Diba?
have everything. Oo, we
Yeah.
can have everything. So,
So,
there's this
importante yun.
exchange.
Wow, so paano yan? 2025 probably another one in the making, as a
Yes.
drawing board. Probably
Opo.
siguro ang challenge sa inyo diyan i-drawing mo na. Ilagay mo sa drawing board.
Kulaya.
Ah.
Wala
Sketch.
yan.
Ah, okay.
Talaga po.
Huwag mo na ilagay dito sa utak. Ilagay mo na sa drawing board. Hindi naman bawal mag-sketch, di ba? I've seen a lot of entrepreneurs who started doing that. Si Job Mang Inasal, he showed me a small pocket notebook where he drew all his dreams,
Oh my God.
And,
Wonderful, sir.
And fast forward, the dream really became
Mm-mm.
the law of attraction that a lot
Yes. At the
people
positivity.
always say.
True.
Diba? You manifest from
Oh,
the
yes.
brain down to the paper. Diba? Nagkakaroon ka ng manifestation eh. Diba?
Yes.
Opo.
Kinikilig mo
Sir.
talaga, ina-attract.
Oh,
Opo.
like for example, McDonald's, the Ray Kroc, no, the
Mm.
founder who innovated, he really wrote a lot, no? And true, what happened years ago in his mind is now happening with these branches, diba? So, journaling alam mo, yan ang
Yes.
Opo.
thing yun sa mga entrepreneurs, no? Journaling, where you keep on
Mm.
writing, drawing, not necessarily about yourself, but about your dreams, no? Your aspirations.
Pero Sir Boots, may question ako. Sa mga entrepreneurs ba, tama ba yun na yung saying na you'll never be ready talaga? Na parang
Oo.
just go and go.
Tama.
Aha.
Tama ba, sir?
No one is ready actually.
Oo.
The
Opo.
one who says that I'm not ready is the one who always procrastinate.
Yes.
Mm-mm.
Yan yung mga
Even
yan
for
yung mga tamad
non-entrepreneurs.
na
Opo.
I'm not ready not ready. Okay, when are you ready? Pagputi ng uwak na sinasabi nga
Opo.
natin.
Kasi
di ba?
kung minsan, sir, may takot din ako na parang hala baka masyado na akong go lang ng go.
Hindi naman.
Kaya parang,
Hindi naman. The fear is actually normal.
opo.
But when you face the fear, you head on.
Opo.
Bakit ba ako natatakot? Ilista mo ngayon.
Kaya
Takot.
valid na sir yung takot.
Oo.
Oo,
Bakit ba ako kinakabahan? Bakit? Kasi
Opo.
financially, partnership, I don't know what to do. Isulat mo kasi that's the only way you can qualify your dream eh.
Mm-mm.
Di ba?
Lalagyan mo ng action yung mga ano.
Di ba? Lagyan mo ng action
That's
yun.
nice.
Para
Hi, Sir.
oo. So yun
Kasi
yung
may fear
mga
din po ako. Yun eh.
normal lang yan. Normal. But again, kasi nga, remember, you have already the idea. And you have that ownership of the idea because you executed what your dream is. Hindi kagaya ng iba, meron silang dream, but they never executed until somebody executed it. Now, who is the owner? Ang owner is the one who executed,
Executed.
True.
Mm-mm.
not the one who dreamt about it. Di ba? Para bang wala ka namang karapatan eh. Anybody dreamt about it but you never took action. Kasi nga, the only way to success is when you dream and put action and the vehicle becomes a success, di ba? So yun yung yun ang doon. So nako, paano
Buti,
kayo
ang sarap
kontakin?
makipagkwentuhan, Sir Boot.
Paano ngayon kayo kukontakin ng mga nanonood sa atin? Yan. Meron ba kayong Facebook page? Yeah.
Okay.
Kay
Please
Good Vibes.
like or follow our page po. It's Good Vibes Cafe by Jeronimo at Garubayan.
Wow.
Actually po, medyo
And-
marami-rami kasing Good Vibes Cafe. Kaya look the one po for merong by Jeronimo. So it's Good Vibes Cafe by Jeronimo.
Bakit Geronimo?
Our father.
Okay.
It's a
So,
tribute po actually.
Ay,
Kay
very
father.
good. Oo. Maganda dyan kung may story ka, may pictures ka ng dad mo and mom mo na nagtatanim kayo.
Ay, opo.
It's a history, it's a legacy.
Yes.
So, yan, no? Nako, looking forward to more 2025 actions of Airbnb Farm.
Naku, parang nadiligan na naman yung ano ko, Sir Boots. Yung dream.
Yung fear
Yeah.
ko, Sir Butch.
Oo.
Oo. Kailan ko nang lagyan ng action.
Oo.
And thank you for this session po talaga. Thank you
Opo.
for
It's a
your
blessing.
advice.
You're an instrument, Sir Boots.
Yeah.
Thank you
So
much.
we all want to create inspiration. That's the reason why we're having this blog every weekend since last year. So we want to inspire people like you. You're the people who inspire others, di ba? Parang sa akin, saan pa ba? Wala na sa libro yan eh. Kayo yung action, di ba? So yeah. So again, wish you all the luck, but let me give me some takeaways. Like for example, kayo, ano ba ang mga tatlong mapapayo nyo ngayon do sa mga nanonood sa atin? Na kagaya mo, Joy, at kagaya nyo, Maricela, ano mga tatlong bagay na pwede mong i-advise sa kanila? Na pwede yung mga nanonood sa atin, yung mga gusto ko yan. O ano mga papapayo mo? Yung mga nasa corporate, lalo na si Joy.
Oo. Corporate na talaga.
Naku.
Jump into entrepreneurship.
From corporate to entrepreneurship. O yan, ako, medyo malalim yan.
Oo nga po. Naku, I'll take the page po sa mga nasa corporate pa who are considering to jump into entrepreneurship.
Mm-mm.
Pray hard.
Saan?
Actually, yun po yung ginawa ko. It's a 2-year na discernment. Yun po yung makakatulong talaga. And listen to your heart. Pero sa akin po kasi nun talagang nag-jump ako na nawala akong pera.
Okay.
Kaya siguro, it's wiser move kapag meron kayong naitabi konti for the dream. So siguro yun po yung may papayo ko na
Okay.
mag-ipon para sa dream.
dream.
Yung mga nasa corporate ngayon. So, bawas muna sa coffee at mga milk tea kung ano man po para at least maiano na yung dream. So, yun yung number 1 ko siguro po na ano.
Si Maricor.
Okay. So, ako naman po na nasa medyo pa-retire na age and would want also to join etong challenging but exciting world ng entrepreneurship. Kasi, pray for me, Sir Butch. Eto po, it's never too late to start anew.
Yep. That's
Never
true.
too late. If you have that passion na talagang nagpupush sa'yo para gawin ang isang bagay, pray for it. God will really guide. God will guide you with the right decisions. God will guide you to the right people that you're gonna work with, and He will guide the right people to you din na makatrabaho mo. So I'm
Correct.
really trying so hard at this moment. Ako, hello po mga DTI. So, lagi kong sinasabi, pag may gusto kang i-start ngayon, it's never too late to start. So take the first step. It's always the
Yeah.
hardest, but we have to take the first step and learn po along the way. Hindi
Yeah.
natin alam lahat eh. We need people, we need coaches, we need like you to mentor us, to give us inspiration. We need people na whom we look up to with what they have done, and maging humble na i-accept ang ating mga weaknesses, and maging grateful na andyan yung mga mag-guide sa atin.
Yeah.
So yun po.
At saka, I think basically obstacles are there, no, but it's like a
Yes.
fire that lights up under your belly, no.
Ay, Sir
Kasi-
Boots, pwedeng
Oh.
sige po.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Sige.
Dagdagan ko lang po yung sinabi ko kanina, no. So before quitting your job, kasi yun po yung mga inaano ko, siguro yung mindset po talaga na dapat malakas yung loob mo, parang it's a yes or yes sa success po talaga, na parang dapat there's no turning back po eh. Kapag pinasok mo sa entrepreneurship, lakasan na yan ng loob. Face mo na lahat ng ino-offer na ng entrepreneurship po. So, yun po siguro, dapat wholehearted ka before quitting your job. Hindi yung baka mag-fail ako dun, kasi once na niisip mo na yung failure na yon. Kaya siguro yun po yung ipapayo ko talaga dun sa mga considering to quit. Dapat buong buo talaga, para at least pag pinasok mo na may mga challenges along your way, buo yung heart mo na sinusuyo yung mga challenges
True.
na
Yes, that's true.
And you
Kasi
have to
merong
love what you do.
merong iba naman na they wanted but they gave up simply because of a certain hiccups or people
Ay,
marami pong hiccups.
or yung mga taong nag-discourage, no, na sabihin sa'yo,
Kaya,
naku, si Joy, hindi mo kaya yan.
Naku,
But
I'll prove
may
you
mga-
wrong.
may mga kilala ako na
Ganun na po. Talaga,
may
sir.
mga kilala ko na it's like a music to their ears, eh, no? Yung mga the more they're being discouraged, na the more they say
nagpupush
yes.
natin to rise
Oo,
up.
kumbaga na boost sila, no,
Yes.
na kung bakit kaya sila ganyan, either inggit or are they really sincere with me. But again, at the end, sabi nyo, is actually prayer. No? At the end of the day, is
At
to
the end of the
listen to the
Lead.
whisper, di ba?
Yes.
Importante yan eh, no? Importante yan sa akin, no? So again, but success is actually not success, because if you only reap it for yourself, wala rin, no? But if you reap it with others, ibang kwento yan, di ba?
Oo, iba yung fulfillment po eh, pag
Oo.
i-share mo natin yung success.
Parang sa inyo ngayon, you're being marinated with success. But the end is when the cooking starts, is when you start sharing that meal with others, di ba? So yun yung magandang good vibes, no? Kaya nga itong February 9, ako ang ganda, maraming natutunan, no?
Opo.
At baka magdilang anghel tayo, at baka mamaya meron na mag-message sa inyo na when can we meet? Yun.
We're ready.
Yeah. So I won't prolong you anymore, but again,
Sarap
really,
ng kwentuhan,
Thank you.
sir.
yeah, and
Thank you.
really get in touch with, keep in touch, circulate, get that message of good vibes by Hieronymous
Yes.
really alive, di ba?
Yes po.
Thank you so much, Sir Boots. And
Yeah.
kayo din po you are a blessing to us. Nakaka-inspire po kayo. So keep going po. Keep
Apo.
going.
Thank you for
Maraming
being an
salamat.
instrument.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
So again, thank you very much for this, and really a pleasure for me to meet the two dynamic eldest and youngest. Eldest and youngest who never seem to age. Okay? Alam mo, yun ang bilib ako sa inyo no? Diyan sa Ilocos, nandyan ata yung Fountain of Youth. You guys
Maraming
never
dahon-dahon,
age.
sir.
Maraming dahon. We're just like you. We keep smiling
Okay.
and we keep going through life.
Yeah, right. Sige, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Sir
Bye.
Boots. Happy
Bye-bye po.
Valentine's Day.
Bye.
Valentine's.